Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Hero to Zero of RoboThought series. Guys, we are on lesson number 75 Python coding on Jetson Nano. All right. Now I'm going to show you. In the previous lesson, I showed you how to create a dictionary in Python. Right now, I'm going to show you how to create a dictionary items. Okay. This is almost same like the items which you created within a list and a tuple or a tuple, right? It's almost similar, but the syntax will change. For example, a curly bracket. Okay, let me quickly open up my terminal. I am already logged into my Jetson Nano. Let's open the existing file. Nano, what was the file name? Dict, yeah, dict.py. Alright, so this was the previous lesson. Let me delete this code. I am going to put in a new code. Alright, let's see. This dictionary, curly bracket, okay, say brand, close the quote, is to what? Ford, double quote, Ford, okay, and then comma. Let's create another value. Say model is what? Mustang, and the double quote. Okay, model is Mustang. Why is it model? Okay, I need to give a double quote here. That's why it's showing up error, guys. Did you see that? Did you see that? If the color doesn't change, that means there's something wrong. You missed something, right? It's pretty simple to debug, guys. All right, Mustang, and now let's say year is, say it's an integer, so 1964. Okay, let me close it with a curly bracket, and now print. Now how are we going to print the dictionary items? Let me show it to you. This dictionary, dict, and then you need to use the square bracket, guys. Remember, square bracket. Let's say print the brand, only the brand. Okay, let's print only the brand, and then close the curly bracket, and again you got to close it with a round bracket. All right, now let's see what happens. Control O, enter, Control X. Now Python 3 dict.py. Boom, can you see that? So basically in the dictionary item you can just call for a specific value. Now in this code I showed you how to call for a brand, and it's showing 4, right? It's as simple as that, guys. So I hope you guys are getting pretty much hands-on, guys. We are in lesson number 75. By this time you should be comfortable with the Linux terminal and on logging into Jetson Nano and all the basics, very basic stuffs of Python, right? Different types of syntaxes, different methods and types, and all those things I taught you in the previous lesson. All right, guys, I'm going to come back to you in the next lesson very soon. Until then, see you. Bye-bye.